gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Subscription Box Saturday, and on this video, I have for you my favorite, well, one of my favorite subscription boxes, the Heroes Tower. You guys know how much I love this one. You know that it's a geeky subscription box, so without further ado, let's see what I got this month. Okay, guys, so here's my box. Okay, let's see what's inside here, guys. I just love this subscription. All right, so when I open it up, it looks like this. And they are going to have an item list that they're going to put here very soon, but he normally includes one for me. It normally comes in like a white mailer box, but it looks like there might be a little something different in here for me this month, so that's why it came in this box. But they are available on Cratejoy, but if they are sold out on Cratejoy, make sure that you email him at theheroestower@hotmail.com and he can get you a box, okay? So if you go to Cratejoy, see that they're sold out, then make sure that you email him, and I will link all of that information in the description box below. Okay, so let's start here. Oh, so nice. So here's the so Chad is the owner of the Heroes Tower, okay? And he emailed me and asked me if I would be interested in doing craft challenges with him. And I was like, yes! And of course, he was like, I don't want to create any more work for you and all of that kind of stuff. But you know what? This is the kind of stuff that I live for, guys. When you guys challenge me, I love that kind of thing. And I do have a few more challenges that I need to like work in. I didn't forget about you guys. One was from Mary with the bags from the Trunk Club box. I still have the bags and I have an idea for the bags. I just have to do the DIY. And then Casey from Casey Has Opinions and Terrible Video Skills challenged me to do something with one of those little info cards from my BoxyCharm box. Yes, guys, I still have all of the stuff, and I'm going to do those DIYs. And Chad also challenged me in one of the Heroes Tower boxes, sticker challenge. And guys, I did complete that one, but I have to find the footage. That's why I haven't put it out yet. I'm like, what the heck did I do with the footage of that craft? So as soon as I get the footage, which I know I have it, I just have to dig through and find it, I will definitely put that on and make it Monday. So going forward, periodically, I suggest it every month, but he might not be able to do every month, and that's totally fine. So whenever he has the opportunity to include a craft challenge in the box, he's going to do that. So I'm very excited to do that with you guys. So this is this is a card, I'm sure, for my Patreon support. I support him very minimally on Patreon, and it says a non-COVID sealing with the tape. That is hysterical. I love it. Okay. So let's pop this open really quick. And it says, thank you. So it says, Amber, thank you for another month of Patreon support. I look forward to seeing your reaction when you open up the mystery boxes on YouTube and what items you create with the craft challenge. Take care. Be safe, Chad. He said he needs coffee, Z. So that's awesome. Okay, so that's very cool. So this is the mystery box right here, guys. This is the actual box that I pay for each month. So, and he has the item list there and all that kind of stuff. So we'll go ahead and we'll do this first. Let's do it last because I'm curious about that. Let's do the box first. So those of you who are interested in the box will be able to see what I got in it. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Open this up. I'm going to set this box. Shook the camera, didn't I? Sure did. Okay, so here it is, guys. Oh, I love this one so much. I love, love, love this subscription. I look forward to it every single month. And now I'm going to look forward to it even more so with the craft challenges because I love that kind of stuff. Love, love, love it. Okay, I'm trying to get it open. Sorry, it's taken me a few, but he definitely made sure everything was sealed and good. I'm going to flip the tape down because the first time I opened this, I didn't put the little stickies of the tape down, and I did ruin, but I messed up one of my comic books, but I wasn't happy about it. So, okay, this is so cool, guys. All right, let's start with this, which is totally awesome. I'm going to take it out of the baggie here, but this is so cute. It's a Batman koozie. I love it, guys. I love, love, love it. They do hand make these. It is an Etsy store called CS Cozy Stitching. Hopefully I can zoom in on that for you guys and you guys can see it. But I'm sure they have all kinds of fun things like this on their Etsy store. So make sure that you check them out. That is so super cute. I love it. And then we have a Spider-Man. That's a cool one. Postcard. He likes to include postcards along with the postage stamp so that you can send a geeky hello to someone in your life, which I think is very cool. And I have yet to send out my geeky hellos. I want to do that because I have so many of you YouTube pals that I could be sending this stuff to, and he's provided the stamp. What's stopping me? I'm going to do that soon, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and start here. Woo, this is fun. We have a bunch of little buttons. Okay, so this is awesome. We have Wonder Woman. Hopefully I can zoom in on that for you guys, but that is very super cool. And then we have, I think this is Supergirl, if I'm not mistaken. Pretty sure. There you go. Very cool. Love, love, love it. All right, and then we have Amazing Spider-Man. Here he is. Love, love, love it. That is so super fun. And, oh yes, Leonardo, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Look at that, guys. Yes, that is so fun. Okay, so those are all the buttons. I don't want to lose them. I'm going to do something fun with the buttons very soon. I have an idea for them, but I was waiting to accumulate some more. So I kind of got to go through and see what I have. And, oh, this is fun. And then I will make something with those buttons. All right. Let's pop this bad boy open. So we have some stickers in here, but before I get to, oh, stop. I love it. I love Pac-Man. Like, Pac-Man is one of my all-time favorites. I love the look of it. Just the aesthetic is so super cool to me. I need to get more Pac-Man stuff. I might do something really cool with one of the walls in my craft studio, like a cool Pac-Man wall. I think it'd be super fun. But anyways, here we go. It is one of the ghosts from Pac-Man. Obviously, this is one of your coasters that you would have. You know what? My craft studio is going to be so super fun. It's going to be like really weird. It's the whole main theme is Purple Cow. And then I'm going to have just this really cool aesthetic of all this geeky kind of stuff in there too. So I don't know. It's going to be a mix of everything. I'm getting off track. So sorry for those of you who wanted to see the unboxing and not hear about all that stuff. So here we have a very cool Batman sticker. I am going to have some DIYs with stickers very soon, guys. Very soon. I really am. I think this is Supergirl. I could be wrong. You guys will let me know. I'm sure all you geeks out there will definitely let me know. Okay, so this looks like a Raphael with the twins eye here. Awesome, awesome. Oh, yes. This one is so cool. So we have the Avengers. Love this one. That is so fun. Oh my gosh, I just love this box, you guys. Okay, and then we have a Spider-Man. Very cool. Love it, love it. And here is a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. And finally, I got a lot of stickers in this one. So fun, guys. And finally, I have a Wonder Woman. Yay! Super fun, guys. Love, love, love it. Okay, so those were all my stickers. Awesome, awesome. And let's go ahead and see what else is in here, guys, because there's more. This is all wrapped up. That's cool. I don't know what it is, but we'll find out here in a second. I'm going to unravel this first, and I have a complete set now. I believe I do, because I have Leonardo. Yay! Guys, this is going to look so cool on a shelf in my craft studio. I'm so super pumped. And here's the back of it. This is a handmade item, which I just adore and love. Actually, I've passed quite a few handmade items. The coaster was in the little can koozie, also handmade, which I absolutely love. And I bet you this lanyard is as well. Oh, yes! I mean, yes, we have Wonder Woman, Superman, Batman, The Flash, and oh my God, what is that guy's name? Don't tell me, because I know. Cyborg. There you go. Alrighty, look at that. Yes, guys, yes, yes, yes. Love it, love it. Again, this is another handmade item. Okay, something mysterious. Let's see what's happening here. What's going on? Oh, stop! It's a cute little wallet! Ah! That's so great! Okay, so this is an awesome little Pac-Man wallet. Did I just not tell you guys how much I love Pac-Man? Look how fun that is! I love it. I love it. Love it. And it's like, I'm sorry. Hold up, guys. It's like a change wallet. So super. Oh, look at the inside. Oh, it says ready. Can you guys see that? I don't know if you guys are going to see that or not. That is so super fun. Okay. Love it. Ah! So awesome. Guys, this is so super cool. So he hand makes these wallets. He does an amazing job with them. I would definitely use this wallet because I just love Pac-Man. It's so fun, guys. And again, another awesome handmade item. Thank you so much, Chad. That is so super cool. We're going to dig into the comic books, and then that is going to wrap up my box. Hopefully you guys won't get glare because I'm not going to take it out of the thing, or am I taking it out? Looks like I'm taking it out. Sorry. I changed my mind. Okay, so this is a First Strike comic book. Check that out. Awesome, awesome. And like I said many times, guys, I will be doing some crafts with the comic books here very soon. I just have a lot of things going on right now. Batman and Robin. Yes, yes, yes. Love, love, love. Perfect. And this last one here. Open this up. See what we got. See. Spider-Man. Awesome. Here we go. Yay! So super fun, guys. Okay, so that takes care of my Heroes Tower box. I don't even need, I was going to try to find the item list for you guys because I was going to, you know, tell you what the item list said, but I didn't know what to do with it. Here it is. Make sure I did it all right. Item list, Batman koozie, Spider-Man postcard, 4 pins. You should know them. I did. The Leonardo wooden peg, Justice League lanyard, Pac-Man ghost coaster, the 7 stickers. I should know them, and I did. Pac-Man credit gift card holder. Oh, okay. It's a credit or gift card. I was thinking it was a change thing. That's awesome. Yeah! It was a handmade item, and then 3 comic books. Awesome, awesome, guys. Now, we have the craft challenge. I'm so excited. Okay, so let's see what he's got in store for me here. All right. Craft challenge items. He's got this covered up, though. Am I allowed to peek at it now? Oh, maybe I'm supposed to open this up. Okay. Am I supposed to open this first? Let me open it up first, because he has a couple of things covered on the front here, and I just don't want to mess up the whole fun thing happening here. Okay. So, in this little box here, it's empty. You're challenging me to make something out of these boxes? Is that what you're doing? Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Okay. They're empty, guys. Okay. He's seriously challenging me, dude. All right. Let's take a look at what he said here. That is so fun. Oh my God, I love it. All right, craft challenge. You may use, and it has a blank here. So wait, hold on. Craft challenge item. 2 small mini boxes. Okay, so those are the craft challenge items, and you may use 1 or both boxes. Okay, so I can use 1, or if I want to, I can use both of them. You can use any craft materials to add to your craft project. The sky's the limit. Thank you for that, because I'm going to have to do a lot of sprucing up here. My request is to make something that speaks to your geek. Time limit. My created craft item will arrive in the next mystery box. Have your craft item done before opening your next month's box, which is my April box. Good luck, and looking forward to seeing what you create. Okay. So I have these 2 boxes, guys. I have to come up with something super cool and super fun for these 2 boxes. All right. And it needs to be geeky. Suggestions? Anybody? Anybody have some suggestions for me? I will take all suggestions. It doesn't say it's against the rules to get suggestions from you guys. It doesn't say that. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Chad, thank you so much. This is so super fun. I love, love, love this. You know, it's so funny because Stephanie from Random Reviews with Stephanie is also a crafter, and she does amazing work, like phenomenal, amazing work, right? So I threw it out there to her that we should do a craft challenge, and we might do that this summer. And I think it would be fun for me to send her some materials and her to send me some materials, and we just can make whatever we want out of the materials. But I feel sorry for her because my mind is like Chad's. He sent me boxes. Stephanie, you could get bags, boxes, paper. I don't know. I'm just saying, I'm an unpredictable kind of girl. You guys see what I work with. I did make a trash bag. I did make a skirt out of trash bags. That would work. I'm just saying. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Chad, I'm looking so super forward to seeing what you created with these boxes, and I will come up with something fascinating, I hope, before my next mystery box. Again, guys, this is available on Cratejoy. If they are sold out on Cratejoy, make sure you email them at theheroestower@hotmail.com. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambazar's DIY and other stuff. And this hair is just going to drive me nuts. I'm so sorry. I hate it when I do this. Like, I mean, this is just like a forever thing for you guys. Like, I'm really sorry, but I hate it when my hair looks off. Like, that's all I look at. I'm just saying, let's start over. Okay, guys, so here's my box. That looks weird. Try it again. Oh, that's nice. Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, so here's my box. Ooh, I'm so excited, guys. All right, so what was I going to say? Like, what is there to say? Let's see what's inside. What the heck? Oh, it was a perfect throw, too. Try it again. Okay, guys, so wow, that went I thought I was going to hit